Human Look by Laglan. This channel is all about styles, trends, and beauty. But recently, I've been having requests, and some of these requests are:
Hi, Miss Lolita. I'm one of your followers on your YouTube channel, and I must say you're doing a very good job. I've been following every bit of it, and what caught me most is the fashion aspect. I really love fashion, so I'm thinking if you could do more of the fashion thing, if possible, your sewing tutorials online for those of us that can't come to the physical classes. Just make it convenient for us. It will really be helpful. And I want to believe I'm not the only one who is interested in the fashion thing. So it will do us a lot of good. Thank you very much. Looking forward to the next video. Thank you.
Hey Lita, I've been meaning to ask. You have tasty food recipes and you're great at cooking. Most people would love to learn, but the only factor is distance and maybe due to some transportation issues or traffic. But why don't you post it on your channel so they'll be able to learn from it even at home?
good news, guys. Now, I'll be adding food recipes and tailoring tutorials to my channel. Yay! So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video pops up. Thank you.